Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another attempt to purchase By Lydia with Karen Millen. Is it Karen Millen by Lydia? By Lydia Karen Millen? I'm not sure. But it's her latest collection with Karen Millen and it's the autumn collection. So I did watch Laura Blair's video of this and a few of the items were oversized, but I've stuck mostly to the jumper dresses because I did already buy this one and I love it. So I dipped my toe in the water before I went all out. Love this so much. So in here is the red version of this because I think this is gorgeous. And then there's a few others in there as well. So I'm going to open these up, pull them out and then do some cutaway trying them on like I did before in the previous Karen Millen by Lydia videos. So in here, I'm pretty sure there's like four things I think in here. I'm just going to open it up. I've also ordered a coat and I ordered it about 12 days ago and it still hasn't turned up and I have it on next day delivery, so I've really got to chase that up. It says it's with the courier, not delivered yet. These I ordered after I ordered the coat and these have turned up. These were through Royal Mail. The other one has been with Every, which is a terrible company. They were Hermes before, and before that they were Parcel Net. So they've never improved, they just keep changing their name. So in here we have the red dress, gorgeous. We have the really nice embroidered, you can't see it, the light's a bit off. Very nice pale blush pink lace type dress. I'll try and fix the lighting for this when I try that on. Can't remember what. There's two red dresses in this collection. This is the other one. This is the fairisle one, and then I think this is. So there's three actually. So this is the one with the open sleeve, I believe. So four dresses in this collection that I've ordered, plus this one. So there's 5 in total. So I'll start with this one. I absolutely love it. It's really thick, so this is definitely not a dress for the warm autumn days. This is so warm. This is definitely a winter dress. It's really gorgeous. It fits really nice. It has epaulettes on the shoulder, really lovely balloon sleeves. It's a nice length with a little peplum skirt. Oh, I can show you. Let's drop you down. I'll just move you back a little bit so maybe you can see the length. There we go. Right, yeah, so lovely length just above the knee with a little peplum skirt. So yeah, I really love this dress. Like really love this dress. So that's why I bought it in the red also. So yeah, I'll try on the other ones for you now, so I'll make this video as nice and short and efficient as possible. So this is the Fair Isle jumper dress. I really like the colour and the pattern. This is really good for winter. It does come with its own belt, but for me it's really fiddly putting it on, so I would just always wear my own belts with it anyway. I don't like, it's a little bit big. This is what I don't like about it. It's too big basically, and it's a boucle knit, but to me it looks kind of old because it's so bobbly. To me it looks like it's worn and been washed a few times, and I'm not quite sure how it's going to wash. Will it fade in the wash and things like that? It's just, I don't know, it's not, I didn't know what boucle knit is, to be honest with you. I've never heard and never seen it before. Yeah, but I don't love it, but it's cute. It's definitely cute. I feel like if this was just a regular knit, it would be really nice. Like, I love the Fair Isle for winter, and it's very warm. I'm just standing around trying these on and I'm quite warm, so it's definitely cozy. So if you like this sort of bobbly teddy type effect clothes, then this would definitely be for you because it's really warm. It is just a little bit big, and then again I'm not a fan of this sort of bobbly effect, but yeah, it's very cozy. It's incredibly cozy and be very good for Christmas. So this is the red version of the same cream dress that I had on at the beginning of the video. I absolutely love it. Would this not just be perfect for Christmas Day, especially if you're going out for dinner on Christmas Day? Maybe you've got a pub lunch booked and it's within your walking distance. This would be great for walking with a pair of like black boots, like knee-high boots. It's so thick, I promise you. This is the thickest wool on a dress that I've ever had in my life. This is so nice, and it's that super silky type knit wool as well. It's really lovely. This I would say is my favourite thing that I've ever bought of Lydia's collection, this and the white dress, or the cream dress. I've just sort of broken it up by chucking on like a necklace stack, because I just feel like maybe it's a bit plain. Just pop this back off. Or you could definitely break it up maybe with a belt. Let's see what it's like with a black belt. Black belt, karate. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Definitely. Oh, do you know what? I love how this feels. It's like silk. It's so nice. It feels fantastic. This is a definite keeper. I'm definitely keeping this one. So I've got this one. I'm keeping the cream one. I'm not keeping the fairisle one. And then I've got 2 left. So I've got the one with the open sleeve and then the lacy dress to try on next. Okay, so I know I just said the last dress is the perfect dress for Christmas, but I've changed my mind. That dress is still the perfect dress if you're walking down the road to a local pub or something and you want to stay warm. However, this dress is perfect for Christmas if you're going somewhere special or you're having all your family and friends around and you want to be really dressed up. So this has got open sleeves with really nice trimming on the edge. These little cuffs are double with the trimming on the end as well. So that just looks really nice with the little velvet covered buttons. The front is lovely. It's got this crochet lace on the front, and then the back, little disclosure here, I haven't actually been able to do it up because it's got elastic loops with covered buttons and I've got really long fingernails, and David's up the garden gardening at the moment, so he's going to have mucky hands, so I'm not going to ask him to help me get into it. But the back, how beautiful is this back? I don't feel like the website has done this dress justice whatsoever. It's like this beautiful deep claret wine colour velvet. It's gorgeous and it's so comfy as well. I kind of want to see what it's like done up, to be honest with you, before I decide whether I'm keeping it or not, just because I want to see how it sits. I can't wear a bra with it because of just how low the back is with all of this lace, and I do have a very small bust, so I just kind of want to see exactly what it looks like on me before I keep it. But it is totally gorgeous. It's definitely a Christmas wow dress if you're going somewhere really nice. So yeah, this is really good. Totally different as well to anything I've seen before for this sort of style of dress. Yeah, it's really lovely. I love a cold shoulder, like open sleeve detail on a dress. I just think it's a bit sexy without being overtly sexy, you know? Yeah, really, really cute. So this is another dress that would be perfect for Christmas. This is more an angel vibes style dress, whereas the other one's giving me more Santa, and then don't know what the velvet one was giving me, but something Christmassy at least. Yeah, this one is really cute. This, I'm in between an 8 and a 10. This is a little bit snug as a size 8, so this is true to size, this one. So yeah, it fits really, really nice. I haven't been able to do it up again. It's just the way stitching is. This is quite a stiff stitch at the seam where the top meets the skirt, so I would need someone else to get me past that little bit that you sometimes get. So I do have it in this because it's a little bit of a tight, snug fit for me, but it's great. It's not like oversized or anything like that. I do really like it. It's really pretty. I think it's so pretty. The high neck, for some reason, isn't bugging me. I think maybe it just sits shy or just above where it bugs. Like, I think, yeah, it feels like it's just above where it makes me feel like I'm being choked, which is normally around here somewhere. So it's actually okay with it being high neck. There is a hook and eye to keep it like up there nice and neat as well. So I like the balloony sleeves. I like the A-line of the skirt and all of this embroidery with the beading, because it is beading, it's not actually lace. I thought it was lace, but it's actually embroidery and then beading. So it's beautiful on this sort of taffeta organza, I think it might be organza fabric. It's just, yeah, this is cute. I really like this one as well. So this would be lovely in the long dress for people who like wearing long dresses. I've decided they're not really my style. I like how they look on other people. I've bought a few of them and then they've just sat in my wardrobe and I've not done anything with them. So that's not really my style. I'm more of a above the knee type girl, to be honest with you. But yeah, this is cute. I really like this. So this lovely angel dress concludes this Karen Millen by Lydia fall haul. Let me know what you think of these outfits in the comment section below. I always respond to all of my comments. It'd be really nice to have a little natter with you down there. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you again soon for another video. Take care, bye.